The fact that we find these then so-called microchimeric cells in the context of certain diseases is not yet telling us whether they are fighting the disease or whether they're causing it. So what we need to find is the biological meaning of the cells in the context of when they do good and when they cause an issue. So we see that they're there, and it's super interesting that they can produce every cell type you can imagine. And this is only true if the cells that transfer do have some kind of stem cell properties. They need to have the ability to either become a nerve cell in the brain, but also a cell of the skin or a hormone-producing cell or whatsoever. We know that they're there, we know where they're coming from, but there's this black box where we don't know how they travel, when they travel, what is their importance, what are they doing, and a couple of very seminal papers start showing the biology behind that. I personally like the story of maternal cells that travel to the fetal lymph node, which is where cells can present antigens, like tiny bits of parts of our body, showing the immune system, hey, this is something you should defeat, or this is something you should kind of not defeat, more or less. So that's like a sneak preview of the outside world, right? So there's obviously a mechanism that helps the baby that has not yet seen something from the outside world to prepare the immune system. I think that's awesome. There's some exciting mouse data where they showed that cells from the fetus that were made in a way that they light up in a green light, they have been found to go first and exclusively to the maternal bone marrow. So there seems to be some kind of niche. We know that there's stem cell niche. There is production of blood cells and stuff like that. So what they saw was that they exclusively go there. And once mom got hurt, cells are relocated to this area and then integrate in the tissue and differentiate into a cell that is needed there, be it a hormone-producing cell, be it a skin cell. That gives us already an idea that obviously there is a direction they go to, at least in the mouse model, and then they're recruited to kind of areas where other stem cells are recruited there too.